Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new around here. For today I'm going to create a different sort of video. So today I'm going to create a makeup look inspired by 90s Bollywood actresses. If you're interested in this kind of video, please keep on watching. Before that, please subscribe to my channel if you have not done already. Now let's get on with this video. So I'm gonna start off with doing my eyebrows because I've already done my base makeup. Base makeup is not much of a difference. It kind of looks the same, so I don't think it makes a lot of difference. So I'm not gonna show that part. I'm directly starting off by doing my eyebrows. Again, eyebrows were simple. They were not like really filled in, or they were not like very thin. Early 2000s, it was kind of thin. So moving on to the face makeup, like the blush, the contour, the highlighter. Actually, blush was more prominent than the contour or the highlighter. So I'm gonna do all of them, but mainly focus on the blush and the blush shade. I'm going to use the Savannah blush palette today to contour and blush. For highlight, I'm going to use a different one because the highlight was really subtle during the 90s in Bollywood, so I'm going to use a different one. I'm going to use this shade for contour. I'm going to use this shade for blush. Okay, so we're done with the contour and the blush. Now we're going to move on to the highlighter. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Sun Kiss highlighter. It's a very beautiful highlighter and it gives a subtle glow, like a sun-kissed glow. So I thought this is very appropriate for 90s Bollywood look. Now let's move on to the eyes. So I saw a lot of pictures. A lot of them had this kind of blackish brown smoky eyes. Most of the times I never saw any pink or any other colors. Mostly it was usually the smoky eye and usually it's brownish. So I'm going to do that today. To do that smoky eye look today, I'm going to use this Savannah, the Artist Collection eyeshadow palette. It's sort of like Maybelline the Nudes palette. It has a nice blend of mattes and shimmers. So first I'm going to take a flat brush and take this light shade to set my eyelid. Next I'm going to take this is like mauve brown shade. I'm going to take this shade and put it all over my lid. I'm going to take this shade and put it in the outer corner of my eye. I'm also going to drag it inside a little bit. I'm going to take like a smaller blending brush. Now so let's take the black one. I don't want like heavy black smoky eye, but I do want that black shade, so I'm going to take only a little bit and I'm going to put it in the extreme outer corner of my eye. I think I have what I wanted to do, but I just want to blend it a little bit more. So I'm going to take the brush that I used previously and I'm going to sort of blend everything nicely. And now I'm going to put the same like deep brown shade under my eye as well. Now for the eyeliner part, everybody had like a thick eyeliner, but it was not very winged. So I'm going to do the thick eyeliner itself. I'm going to use the kajal with very light hand. I just want it to be there, but not to be the main focus. Mascara is something that I saw similar in every actress that I saw. It was always very thick, heavy, long and spidery kind of lashes. So we're done with the eyes. Now moving on to the lips. So again for the lips, the most common shade that I saw was this brownish pink, and lip liner was kind of prominent in 90s. So I'm going to start off with lip liner. So for lipstick, I have two lipsticks today because I want to mix two shades. For the first shade, I'm going to use this NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Capriccio. And to top that off, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Bullet lipstick. This is in the shade Blushing Bali. It's sort of this shade. So that's it for today's makeup look, and that's it for this video. If you remember Madhuri Dixit and if you remember Karishma Kapoor, they used to have very voluminous hair. So this is how so this is a completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!